Hello everyone, how you guys doing? This is your boy Cleans, and this is Yapatek Radio, and we are at the Cleans Glamour Show. Today is going to be an amazing day. We have an amazing topic to talk about, but someone actually sent me a message not too long, I think a few days ago, and he said on her text, he said, "Hi Frank, I've been following your page for a while now, and I must say I like your work, and I happen to be a braider, and I must say it is really tiring. And at this point, I tend to realize that the harder I work, the harder it becomes. And really, I feel like giving up. Please, can you advise me on what do I do at this point in my life?" So, guys, this is a very now for someone to actually come out and send this message to somebody, you must know that she must have gone through a lot as a braider. She said she's a braider, and I would like you guys to actually stay tuned because I'm already hot and I'm feeling I'm feeling at pains already. So just stay tuned. As soon as we get back from the break, I'm gonna be giving an advice, dropping an advice, and this advice is gonna go a long way, not to help just the beautician, but it will help most of the people that are doing other businesses. Just stay tuned. Hi there, this is Franklin, and this is the Clean Glamour Show. And before now, we actually received a text from an anonymous fan or follower. So she said she's at the verge of giving up. So in today's episode, I'll be talking about possible things that will make a beautician who wants to give up or might think of giving up. So the possible things that will make a beautician or a beauty personality want to actually give up or stop doing the job or try something else. Um, Number one is um, financial issues or financial things. So this is it. When you work at the salon, there'll be times when customers will not be coming in, and there'll be times when there'll be no sales in particular, like no sales entirely. So when this time comes around, my advice for you is to diversify. You can look for something else that can actually be fetching the money into the salon. It could be selling of products. It could be selling of extensions. It could be renting out space. It could be giving out trainings. Physical or online courses. So with um, all this, you can actually make more money. You can get more customers. This is not the time where you just say, "I will remain a trader and I'll just remain a trader." So whenever other people comes and wanting to do something else or wanting other services, you tell them no, that you don't offer some. If you have a whole lot of space on at your place of work, why not get someone that can actually do those things that those customers are coming in and are asking for instead of just relaxing? I mean, one of the sweetest things I like about life is the ability to evolve or change. If you are into the beauty industry, you must be ready for change at every point in time. So that's for number one. Then the number two is number two reason why you may want to give up is when you tend to have customers that complains a lot. A customer that are very difficult to handle. So whenever I have customers like this that are always difficult or wanting something that is not possible, so I go as far as I can to explain to this customer that, see, this thing that you want, it's not going to be easy for us to achieve it. So I want you to make this clear to any customers that you know that they complain or they talk or they're always not satisfied. Tell them this thing that you are asking to be achieved cannot be achieved. Some customers will want you to build a house on their head. Some customers will want you to do something that is not actually that's not seen anywhere, and they will tell you all in the name of creativity. If you know it's not possible, talk to them. You mustn't do everything. See, most of the problem that we tend to have is we want to do everything, we want to push ourselves and achieve the unachievable. Don't do that. Don't do that, because when you eventually do this, this is where no matter what you do, this customer will still be will not still be satisfied, and you will tend to end or you will leave there having a bad reputation or a bad name. Or she will even tell other people that, don't go to that person. That person is not good or something. So make it clear to customers that complains a lot that what they are coming for would not, as in it's not possible. Like other thing that may make one want to give up in this field of endeavor, the beauty industry, is competition. I used to tell my staffs, my place of work, there are so many hairstylists, there are so many braiders, there are so many people that are doing what you are doing, and there are still people who are actually still coming up that will do what you are doing. So how do you tackle this? How do you tackle this? The best thing you can do is to choose a niche. In the hair industry, there are different sections of hair making. You can be a braider, you can be a bridal hairstylist, you can be a wig stylist. My next point is the long working hour of hairstylist or beautician. So as a beautician, we tend to realize that we work long hours. Like we work from morning, like we can stand from morning down to like night, like from morning from 8 a.m. 8 a.m. in the morning down to 8 p.m. at night, standing. So the best way to tackle this is for you to um, schedule proper appointments with your customer, your client, and always take time out to rest. Take a break. Take yourself out on a date. Go and eat. Rest very, very well, so that you don't burn out. You don't burn out. So that's it for me. Then another point again I want to talk about is um trend. Trend. I'm gonna if you really want to continue in this industry, the beauty industry, we can say it's actually demanding. You have to keep up with trend at every point in time. In every beauty industry, or even every industry, they used to have industry leaders. Yes, they have industry leaders. Figure out who your leader are, then follow them on social media, then so that you can keep up with trends, so that you can be updated on what is going on. Because my dear, if you're not, you could just did there, customers go they pass you by, and you don't want to do that. Yeah. And while my next point is doubt. So the lady that sent you that message on Instagram, I would say stop doubting yourself. You have to believe in yourself at every point in time that you can achieve anything. See, most of the people that you've seen in any field of endeavor that have gone to a particular level, they actually were or was consistent for a very, very long time. Then eventually, one particular thing that they had done in the years past came out again. And before you know it, they became popular, they became famous, and they became very, very successful. So don't give up. Don't doubt yourself. Yes, family members will come and tell you, you've been doing this thing for so long, you're not making anything out of it. Why not try something else? Don't listen. Don't listen. Just keep going. Keep going. And I tell you, one day, the world is going to hear your name. Never you give up. Never, 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 never you give up. Never. Just keep going. So my final point is health issues. Health issues. So this is one of the most important things. I used to hear some posts that would say, um, take care of yourself. Go for checkups. Do exercise. One of the like beauticians, we tend to have these back pains, neck pains, yeah, and leg pains, yeah. So I'll advise that you go for exercises. You like stretch. There are some programs that you can actually sign up for that teaches you how to stretch the body. You can do those things, and before you know it, you'll be fine. So I want you to actually carry out, not just listen to everything that I've said, just carry out everything that I've just talked about. And if you can do this, the sky is going to be your limit. And the one final thing is network. Please network with people that does not just same thing that you do, or same thing as an occupation that complements your own niche, your own occupation. Just network with people, and from there you'll be fine. So thank you very much for listening or for joining. And the lady that sent out this message, I hope this that I've just said, all that I just said, will go a long way to helping you. This is the Clean Glamour Show. Make sure you join us next time.